How to remove a person from a photo in Canva. Open the Canva on your laptop or PC. Make sure you have a subscription of Canva Pro. Otherwise, you can't remove a person from photo. Let's go to our procedure. Select the photo you want to remove. Select Customize this template. Delete the things you don't want. Right-click on Picture and select Detach Image from Background. Select Edit Photo option. Select Magic Eraser. Increase or decrease the brush size. Apply on picture. Person is removing from photo. As you can see, person is being removed from photo. Go to Share option. Select Download. It was downloaded on your device. That's how you can remove person from photo in Canva. That's all from today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.